Abrogeno, Latinto, Angel Diesta, Espantado, Maxine Maulin Farnulo, Meatballs, Mick Tarantino, Pampal, Harrison Navarro, Strong Mano, Noriko Santos, Hello, Movie Editor of the Year, Vanessa Ubas de Leon, Mike Tintin, Jamie Lumandas, Topa, Pedro Ferreira, Espantado, Maria Ignacio, Hello Mapane, Maria Ignacio, Anupan, Benjamin Valentino, Meatballs.
They are the master of the lens who shape the world of every film. The nominees for movie cinematographer of the year are
Movie Cinematographer of the Year, Neil Daza, Espantado, Neil Daza, Greenbaum, Carlo Mendoza, Isang Bumala, Al Orindaki, Alindaki, Nick Pirin, Noel Fihan, Hello Lavade, Noel Tonight, I'm happy for you.
And the star movie cinematographer of the year goes to set hanggang sa maliliit na detalye ay ang mga production designer na may puso at imahinasyon.
Here are the nominees for movie production of the year.
Movie Production Designer of the Year, Mr. Abrogena, The Kingdom, Angel Diesta, Espanta.
Ang mga editor ang bumubuo ng daloy ng pelikula. Sila ang nagtatahi ng bawat eksena para mas magkaroon ng tamang timing, tamang emosyon, at malaking impact ang isang pelikula.
So narito naman ang mga nominado para sa Movie Editor of the Year.
Movie Editor of the Year, Vanessa Ubas de Leon, My Future You, Jamie Dumancas, Topa, Pedro Ferreira, Espantado, Maria Ignacio, Hello Mapane, Maria Ignacio, Anupan, Benjamin Tolentino, Greenballs, Benjamin Tolentino, Isang Bumala.
And the star for